Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to tell you how I figured out how to put these things, whatever they're called, strings I guess, back into your hoodie if you accidentally pull them out using only 3 simple tools. You're gonna need a straw, some duct tape, 5-minute crafts, I'm looking at you, and of course the string and hoodie. So I guess 4 things, but I'm saying 3 because that makes the title sound better. I know this works because this morning when I put on this very hoodie, I accidentally ripped the string out of the hoodie and spent like 45 minutes trying to figure out how to get it back in, because usually I just kind of feed it through like a accordion or a slinker or whatever, where I just scrunch a little bit and then pull and then scrunch and then pull and then scrunch and then pull. But that didn't work this time because it was this kind of string instead of the plastic tube ones. But this way that I'm about to teach you guys is actually way easier. And I'm gonna be showing you with this hoodie. Yeah, I'm so confident that I just ripped this string out of the hoodie. And also,
don't forget to like and subscribe while you're at it. Just in case, you know, if you want to see another video.
okay, so basically what you're gonna need to do is take a straw and take your string. You can see I already did it, so it's already there. You're going to put your string into the straw, and you're gonna take your duct tape, and you're gonna rip a piece off. It doesn't have to be this much, this is probably actually too much. I'm not gonna waste that tape, by the way, I am gonna use that. You put the string into the straw, and then you just tape the string and the straw together. Now you're gonna wanna make sure that you're squeezing the end as you're wrapping the tape around so that this doesn't come out when you pull. Now the next step is, okay, I got nervous if I wasn't recording. So the next step is to find the hole in your hoodie, and you are just going to slide the part of the straw that doesn't have the string attached to it through the hole. Now you are going to do this until it gets about here, and then it might be a little bit more difficult depending on the straw, but that was actually super easy. So then you're just gonna scrunch it up until you get to the other side of your hoodie. And if it's doing what mine is doing, where it's being a little difficult with the scrunching part, you can just go ahead and kind of feed it through. And then you're gonna find the second hole where the other side of the string is gonna come out. And you're going to put the straw through. And then you're just gonna pull very carefully the straw out of that hole. And the tape made your string still there. And now you just stretch the hoodie and feed it through like that, and then you just untape it and get it to where you want it, and now your strings are back in your hoodie. That is the easiest way I have ever put a string back into a hoodie. Like I said, I usually just do the weird accordion thing, but this literally only took me like a minute and a half. It didn't take very long. So I hope this was super helpful. Please like and subscribe if it is. I'm gonna be doing more life hack videos like this in the future, so stay tuned for that. Turn on the notification bell if you're cool like that, and have a super awesome day. Peace.